Hire shop, trail. You all right, mate? We're just letting our viewers know about the Camel Trail and the bike place.
Oh, yeah.
Any chance I could just flick my camera so you can see that? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's private land, so I don't just assume, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your name, bud?
Woody.
Do you want me to keep you off camera?
It's up to you, mate.
Do you want to promote? There you go. What's your name? William?
Woody.
William?
Woody.
Woody?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, here's Woody, viewers. He works here at Bridge Bike Hire. Tell us about your business.
Yeah, families. We've got a few other bikes over there as well if you want to show them those.
Yep, of course,
We've
yep.
got accessibility bikes as well.
So accessibility bikes, so you cater
exactly.
for everyone?
So,
Yeah.
we've got a wheelchair.
Okay.
We've got
So Woody, if I was going to come and hire a bike, I wouldn't really like bring my crash helmet with me, would I? So do you do that as well?
We hire 3 helmets.
You hire helmets as well?
Yeah.
There you go, viewers. So you can get your helmets here, so safety's taken care of.
Yeah, locks, punch repair kit, pumps all included as well. So you've got everything you need. You can just rock up and you're good to go.
Fantastic. How much is it? So say for instance, just me, just I wanted the bike for a day.
Yeah, £16.80 at the moment. So
£16.18?
Yeah.
Is that it?
£16.80.
£16.80?
Yeah.
So 17 quid?
Pretty much.
For all day hire?
All day, yeah, from 9 till close, and then we have a late.
You got a business, wouldn't you? That's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
You pay more for a burger and chips. Viewers, you can come down here, single person, and you can get a bike all day for less than £17. Come and speak to Woody, because he'll sort you out. £17, and you can have it. What time's the hire, sir? How long is it for?
9 o'clock until 4 we close, or 4.
So that's all day.
And then we have a late lock-up, so you can return the bikes after we close as well.
What about if I've got young children? Do you have like things like trailers and things like that?
Yeah,
Dog?
everything. Yeah, we've
Take
got
care of my dog?
trailers, kids trailers, trailer bikes, everything you need.
Woody, what about if I was feeling lazy? Anything electric?
Walking in history, step by step.